Think you've nailed your LinkedIn profile? Think again. Choosing the right industry on LinkedIn is more important than you think. It's not just a checkbox, it's your ticket to being found by recruiters, potential clients, and like-minded professionals. LinkedIn offers 580 industries to choose from. Yes, you heard that right, 580. And picking the wrong one can leave you lost in the digital crowd. Imagine this, you're a tech guru but listed under agriculture. Oops, recruiters seeking tech talent won't find you and you'll miss out on relevant job recommendations. Selecting the right industry impacts your LinkedIn experience over time. With the right choice, you'll get more accurate recommendations, reduce your campaign costs, and increase your profile's visibility. So next time you update your profile, take a moment to choose the right industry. Your future self and your LinkedIn success will thank you. Stay tuned for more LinkedIn tips with Sebastian Ong. Follow #SebastianShares for more insights.